Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about conditional statements if-else. At this lesson, you will apply if statement, identify comparison operators, apply if-else statements. Today's new words: to boil, кайнату, кипятить, conditional, шарт условный, condition, шарт условия, indentation, шеганес отступ, comparison, соответствие сравнение, value, man, значение, variable, айнымалы, переменные. Conditional statements. Imagine that we want to drink a cup of tea. To drink a cup of tea, firstly, we must boil water in a kettle. Temperature of boiling is 100 degrees. Let us understand if water is boiled or not. We can simply write the following code. Temp, int input, what's temperature of water. If temp is equal to 100, then print it's boiled, have a nice tea time. In this code, we make decision by using if function. So if temperature of water becomes equal to 100 degrees centigrade, it will boil and we can have a cup of tea. And important thing to keep in mind, each line under the if statement has an empty space. It's called indentation. Conditional statement, colon, then empty space. It's very important. Comparison operators, if-else statement. Comparison operators allow you to compare two values. It means checking if some value is bigger or less than another, or equal or not equal to each other. Look at this table, please. Here we can see comparison operators. We check that if 5 is greater than 3, if 5 is less than 3, if 5 is greater or equal to 3, if 5 is less or equal to 3, if 5 is equal to 3, if 5 is not equal to 3. You gotta learn by heart these comparison operators. Do not mistakes when using equal signs. The double equal sign is used to make comparison between variables. Like at the first example, we are using two equal signs. Here we compare two numbers. The single equal sign is used to set a value to a variable. Here we assign B to A. So we use one equal sign to assigning. If-else statement. If-else statement is a decision between two things. For example, if it's a weekday, it's time to go to school, otherwise you can stay home. We use if statement for making only one decision. What can we do if there are two or more decisions? For example, let us program the following situation. As you know, if temperature outside reaches -30 degrees, school will cancel the lessons. So let us write a code that will check if it's possible to stay home or not. Temperature, temp, is equal to int input, what's temperature today. If temperature is less or equal to -30, then print tada, stay home and have sweet dreams. Else, print hey, get up, you have lessons today. Statements like if or if-else are called conditional statements in computer programming. Let's do this practice. Write a program that defines if an input number is positive or negative. Write a program that defines whether a student has passed the exam or not. Percentage to pass is 50%. You should use conditional statement if-else to solve these problems. And third one, find 3 errors in the following code. Let's find it together. Look at the first line. X equal to input enter a number. We want to enter number. That's why we should use int, data type int, to enter a number. First, it's a first error. Then conditional statement if x is equal to 3. Here we are comparing two numbers. That's why we should use two equal signs. It's a second error. And after the conditional statement, we should use colon. It will be the third error. So we have found 3 errors of this code. That's all. The lesson is over. Have a nice day. See you next week.